There's exactly no definition to say what is success. I think it is individual word and it's individuality about how we celebrate success. Being spent 25 years in the film doesn't mean that I'm successful, or it doesn't even define that I'm successful. It is there because people are still liking me around. And I think I'll be around till they do, and I don't think years matters. And of course, journey, I think everyone has their journey. Good, bad, not so good, you know. Thankfully, I think mine has been pleasant, so far at least, and I hope time will be kind enough for the further years too.
So I have a question to Mr. Saurabh Gupta. So Mr. Saurabh, you've chosen Mr. Sudeep as the brand ambassador. So why did you make this decision?
As I told you, it was not a one-side choice. It was a mutual decision. Sir had such appreciation for Denver. That is one. Secondly, we wanted to be leading in this territory, and he is clearly the Badshah. I don't have any other word, a better word for that. He is clearly the Badshah, the most successful film star in this category, in this part of the world. And his support with us really mattered. I thought that to get to where we want the Denver brand to be, we cannot do it without Sir. And I think the day has come, he's with us. And I think no one can stop us from going where we want to be. Thank you.
So now that we have welcomed Mr. Sudeep as the brand ambassador to Denver family, so what are your future activities, or with respect to the advertisement or marketing? So what kind of campaigns are you planning on?
We are clearly, I mean, this is the first step. This is clear, basically clear step for the ambition of the brand, that we obviously, we want to be aggressive in the territory. We have aggressive plans for the cinema advertising. We have aggressive plan on digital platform, because our young generation who connects with Sudeep Sir and who connects with Denver deodorants and perfumes is right there on digital media, is right there on e-commerce, and we need to be leading there. We already have very close relationship with the e-commerce platforms here, especially Flipkart, and I think in the future we can be the leading. He's already the face of Flipkart, so I think that says a lot already. And I think it will be amazing journey, especially with the campaign. He will give the maximum punch possible, what we need, what probably any brand needs. He will be for us. Thank you.
Thank you. My next question is to Mr. Sudeep. Sir, as I told you that you've been a personification of class, of the style, of elegance. So what do you feel about Denver's perfumes and fragrances?
It has positioned itself very well in the market, and I think the way they project themselves, place themselves, says it everything. I guess I told you in the first answer itself, they're very clear where they're heading, and whenever I used to see their ads with other actors in other languages, I was very happy with the way they're presenting it. There's a touch of elegance, so I'm very sure they exactly know why they're doing it. It's just the world is going to take what you give. So they are positioned, and they have definitely through their ads and how they put across things to the public through an ad or a poster, they're very clearly telling them how to look at the product. So I think, and not only that, it's not just that, their products are quite good enough to say that yes, this thing suits. The way your positioning suits. It's not like your ad is saying something, but your perfumes, deos are saying something. They're very clear, and I think they're on the right track, and it is positioned itself very well in the market today.
Absolutely. Thank you, sir. My last question is to Mr. Saurabh. So